Christ who lifts our voices high, beyond the fear that bids us hide. He calls us forth to sing aloud, in truth and love, in sacred pride. Christ hears the song we dare to raise, from quiet hearts to boldest praise. No voice too small, no cry too weak, but finds its strength in Him we seek. Christ joins our voices into one, a chorus wide beneath the sun. In every tongue, in every sound, His living harmony is found. Christ gives us words when we